This is utter failure of police and government. Our movement will continue. After everything, whatever may be, but movement will continue.
ये हमला जो हुआ हमारे आंदोलन को तोड़ने के लिए ही हुआ है. So much goons can come and damage the college. Then what is our security? We will not be mitigated by it. We will not be afraid by it.
हम लोग आंदोलन फिर से स्टार्ट करेंगे. जो मॉब आया था ये फुल्ली पॉलिटिकलाइज था. हम लोग का आंदोलनकारी से कोई लेना देना नहीं है ये, और हम लोग आंदोलन जारी रखेंगे.
When the women were asking for freedom at the middle of the night and they had more than 300 rallies all over West Bengal, then there was absolute vandalism in RG Kar. RG Kar was attacked. Right now it is around 2 a.m. and see the situation of RG Kar hospital. This is the situation of that so-called security which has been given here. Lot of chappals and all these things clearly shows that what type of vandalism actually took place here. This has no language where one can really actually say anything about it. These are all those places which has been completely vandalized. Doctors were sitting there seeking justice. We want justice. All these things where you can see the condition of the chairs, see the condition of the stage that was made. You see the police outpost, that is also totally vandalized. One police car has been torched, and so-called there was some security. That's what everybody generally says. But see, this is the condition, but it's absolutely rampage, absolutely hooligans, miscreants. They came here, they vandalized everything out here, and still now the situation is very tensed. Police is inside RG Kar. It is okay now. Police commissioner has come here and visited. Now you have see contingent of police, but at that point of time, this is a hospital. Here a rape and a brutal murder has taken place. The doctors were seeking here justice. They were sitting here justice. And what happened? Tremendous. This is terrifying. This is very sad. This is this is a shameful thing which Kolkata witnessed in the wee hours of the Independence Day. This is what has happened in Kolkata, which is highly condemnable. Now both the political parties have started raising fingers on each other, but the point is, at the end of the day, attack on doctors, attack on students, attack on those people who were asking justice. Who was having problem with them? Who was having problem with those who were seeking justice? That's the big question in Independence Day. A very sad Independence Day, definitely, for the people of Bengal. Those doctors who were seeking justice for brutal rape and murder, they were attacked today. Kya hua tha? What happened today?
We had a statewide protest at 12 a.m. tonight. So we were planning to join the protest which was happening at the Sam Bazar 5-point crossing. It was like 500 meters from here. So inside the campus we are preparing for a rally, and then a huge mob, probably more than 500 people came and started to hamper the barricades that are placed there. So we as doctors, we repeatedly requested them, and we also requested the police force to mitigate them, but police force didn't take any action, and then they broke the barricade. We were thinking that it could happen. So we evacuated the place. We evacuated all the lady doctors and the juniors who were present there, and we sent them to all hostels inside the campus. Then the mass came inside, and then it broke down the emergency. They broke down the canteen, and also the protest stage that we had built up. They had broke down everything.
पहले जो बाहर जो आज तो मतलब क्या ही बोलूँ और यहाँ पे बाहर तो क्लेम द स्ट्रीट्स का प्रोग्राम चल रहा था। वहाँ पे मतलब पुलिस और ये हम लोग को पहले थोड़ा बहुत प्रोटेक्शन दे रहा था। हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे थे, बाहर के जो लोग थे वहाँ पे प्रोटेस्टर्स जो भी थे, हम अंदर के प्रोटेस्टर भी थे, हम लोग सोचे कि एक साथ अगर प्रोटेस्ट कर पाए तो अच्छा ही होगा। फिर वो वाला जब उन लोग जब आगे बढ़ गए हम लोग के निकलने के लिए, एक दूसरा अलग सा एक मॉब आया जिसमें एकदम भी कोई भी महिला नहीं था, सब दारू वारू पी के आ गया, सब आ गया था। वो लोग आके सबसे पहले ये सब तोड़ा। ये तो पूरा मतलब समझ में ही आ रहा है आप लोगों को कि इमरजेंसी क्यों ब्रेक कर रहा है ये लोग। ऊपर चेस्ट मेडिसिन में घुसने का कोशिश किया था, इसके बाद भी अगर कोई इसका जवाब नहीं दे पा रहा है तो हम लोग कभी भी मतलब अपना सुरक्षा में नहीं जा पाएंगे। हम लोग के किसी हॉस्टल में कोई पुलिस नहीं है, यहाँ पे कोई मॉब वहाँ तक पहुँचा भी नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी हम लोगों ने देखा, हम लोगों ने वहाँ पे फ़ोन किया था। उन लोगों द्वारा टाला आउटपोस्ट के द्वारा दिया गया जो नंबर था उसमें हम लोगों ने फ़ोन किया था, उसमें बोला था फ़ोन नंबर नॉट रजिस्टर्ड।
এই ভাঙা মঞ্চতেই
স্টেজ মেই हम लोग बैठे
আমরা প্রোটেস্ট করব। আমাদের এটাই মঞ্চ, আমরা এখানেই বসবো প্রোটেস্টের জন্য।
The shocked, the shattered doctors still are saying that come what may, they are going to protest out here. There is no point of return. The way they have been vandalized, the way they have been attacked is really condemnable. This is an hospital where the doctors, they were seeking justice, and this happens to them. That's a very, very, very big question on the police and the administration.
गाड़ी को जस्ट सीधा किया गया है, देख सकते लाइव में। 9 तारीख से लगातार धरना चल रहा था यहाँ पर, और यहाँ एक
that is the situation. It was kind of toppled on the floor. They just pushed it back into place. And when I'm talking about
ওদিকেও চলে গেছে মনে দিকাম।
you will be able to see the level of destruction. It is absolutely palpable over here, and there are not only shards of glass, but and kind of
समीर কিছু ছড়েনি।
सेल्फी लिए जा।
कहाँ सेल्फी लिए? फोटो खींच रहे थे।
फ्रेंड को पकड़ ग्रुप में लिखे
क्या?
हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं भाई।
तब नहीं मालूम है आपको?